damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Noaa, Walker, Shell City, Moundville, Richmond, Deerfield, Metz, Harwood, Stotesbury, and Horton. Until 9. The National Weather Fall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Stotesbury and Horton. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Many flood deaths occur in vehicles. Till 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Vernon, Missouri. The National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Henry County, Bates County, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northeast of Hume to near Walker, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Butler, Adrian, Rich Hill, Urick, Deepwater, Montrose, Hume, Rockville, Foster, Wayland, Ballard, Hardwell, and Ladue. This includes Interstate 49 between mile markers 118 and 146. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for West Central Missouri. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Bates, Missouri,